guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is StockBroc. I want to do a market recap for last week's short and trading action, how the major indices performed, what actually lagged, which stocks stood out, how crypto moved, and what to watch for heading into December 1st trading week. Let's dive right into it. Even with a low volume holiday trading week, the market put up very strong numbers for the week ending November 28th. S&P 500, 3.7%, IWM moved 3.7%, Dow Jones 3.2%, and Nasdaq 4.9%. These big moves for the holiday short trading week was very surprising, and they happened on extremely thin volume, which might be a concern. Trading volume was very low all week due to Thanksgiving and Black Friday. That's important because it can exaggerate price action. Despite the bounce in stocks, the rally isn't fully confirmed just yet until volume returns this week. Volatility stayed contained and continues to dip as of right now, and sentiment ticked higher, but the market still feels cautious underneath. Even with strong index gains, there are always going to be the laggards. Not everything participated. Sectors that lagged were utilities, classic defensive laggard in a risk-on type of week, consumer staples, underperform as money rotated back into growth stocks. Example of individual laggards, Duke Energy, Kroger, and CVS Health. What this is telling us is that the rally is not fully broad-based. Risk on names led, defensives lagged, and some tech names were still struggling. And some of the notable outperformers, Meta, roughly about 9% move on the week, Microsoft about a 4% move, continuing the AI momentum, and Intel jumped midweek on renewed optimism around future supply deals. And crypto's performance, Bitcoin and Ethereum finished the trading week very choppy. Bitcoin at 91,000 and Ethereum held around the low of 3,000. But here's the key part. Crypto sold off sharply on Sunday, November 30th, which is occurring actually right now. And because crypto and high beta tech stocks, especially the Nasdaq, remain very correlated, the weakness could spill over into tech early this week. Sunday crypto moves have been a good early tell for how the Nasdaq will trade for the coming week. As we head into next week, December 1st, here's what matters. December 1st, we have ISM numbers for manufacturing PMI, which is a key reading for economic momentum and rate expectations. Tuesday, December 2nd, construction spending and factory orders. Good pulse check on economic activity. Wednesday, December 3rd, weekly jobless claims. Labor data still drives Fed expectations. Thursday, December 4th, productivity and labor cost report influences inflation outlook. And Friday, December 5th, ISM services PMI. Big one. Services inflation drives a lot of Fed policy. Also, we want to look out for volume to return this week. If the rally continues with volume, that's confirmation. If volume returns and stocks fade, last week was a low liquidity head fake. Watch tech early in the week, crypto weakness, plus last week's mixed tech participation could set the tone. And we do want to look out for earnings this week. We have MongoDB, we have Okta, Box, CrowdStrike, Pure Storage, GitLab, Snowflake, Tilly's, TD Bank, Kroger. So some consumer discretionary names, technology names, quite a mix this week, but just some names to kind of look out for earnings. Bottom line, last week's strong trading week looked very strong, but it happened with low volume. With defensives and key tech names lagging, the rally is promising, but not confirmed just quite yet. This week is all about catalysts, volume. Stay disciplined, stay ready, stay invested. Thanks for watching. StockBroc. Peace.